welcome back to my channel. I wanted to record this process because it's just something that I want to remember for the future. As you can see by the title, I am doing a whole transformation to my hair. I'll be 28 in 8 days. I just wanted something different. I feel like I've been so regular. I wanted to bring you guys along with this transformation. Just stay tuned. Leave your comments down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. If you don't follow me on Instagram, here's my new Instagram name. So first, I'm going to detangle my hair. So I know you're probably wondering, what is she doing? Well, as you can see, no remorse. I don't care. I am absolutely over having long hair. It is way too much work. As a mom, as a wife, your girl is over it, okay? So the shorter, the quicker it would be easier to do my hair. Plus, I'm about to color my hair, and I'm not about to color it, then cut it. It just doesn't make sense to me to waste all that dye on hair that's not going to be on my head. So yes, your girl's over it. Your girl wants a new look. She's about to be 28. She wants a grown and sexy look. All right. So I'm going to continue. Leave your comments below what you were thinking when I was just chopping off chunks of my hair. Your girl is over it, okay? And I cannot wait to see what the final look is going to be. I want short, I want sexy. I want my husband to do a photo shoot of me, you know what I'm saying? So let's continue, okay? All right guys, so I just finished detangling and combing through my hair just so I could get an even distribution of the hair color whenever I put it on. I just did like a general cut, but once I style my hair, then I will go ahead and finish shaping it. My husband has no idea what I'm doing to my hair. He knows that I'm coloring it, but he does not know that I'm cutting it. I believe I cut like, let me see. I think I cut a good like 6-8 inches off. I'll measure it later on. Let me show you guys all the hair that I cut. So what I'm going to do now is mix the colors. I'm using the L'Oreal Eye Color Excellence. I've seen this a lot on YouTube. I could care less if it's a box of beauty supply color. Your girl's not trying to do all this extra stuff because like I said, I'm over this natural hair thing. So I just want to do what I want to do with my hair, okay? Anyways, so I'm using the color Magenta, and then I'm using the Developer in 30 volume. So I'm going to put my gloves on. Maybe I should double glove. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm going to double glove because I bought these gloves at the beauty supply. I bought this at the beauty supply. I used to have my own, but I can't remember if I threw it away or what I did with it. So I just bought a new set that cost like $3. So before I start mixing the color, I am going to put Vaseline around my edges so that my hair, my skin does not get stained. I'm contemplating coloring my eyebrows too. Should I? And I'm also going to put some here because my hair is constantly swinging and I don't need any red dyes on my arm. All right, I'm done with that part. All right, so I'll be using this comb to comb through each section of my hair of color. All right, so this is the one that I use for this section. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. The ratio is supposed to be like about the same. The ratio is 1:1 or 1:1.5. So it's not that difficult. I'll show you guys. So I'm gonna squeeze it into here first, okay? All right, guys, so I already mixed the color. I'm hoping it's enough for my hair. So I'm gonna do each section lightly and then I'll go over it again, okay? Babe, I'm gonna need you to go get me another hair color. Well, as you can see, I ran out of dye. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought that was gonna be enough, even after I cut so much of my hair. But that wasn't the case, so here we are. My husband went out to get me one more color because I really just need for this front half of my hair. Everything I was trying to avoid happened. It getting all over my clothes, on the floor, all over my arms. I cleaned this arm up. We're just gonna see how it turns out. I'm hoping he gets back soon enough because I have to wash this half out when he gets back. He's getting me a color sealer. I don't know what it's called. Also, so I need to wash this as soon as he gets back, because then this color is going to be a totally different color from the one here. I have to watch the baby. This is not going as planned, but I'm not going to let it stress me out. I'll be just fine. I'll be back when he gets back because I'm going to have to rinse this. All right, guys. So finally, my husband came back. He brought me another one. He brought me one more. Hopefully this is enough. I don't think I'm going to squeeze the whole thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. We don't have much developer left. Let me put on gloves. Thank God I bought a box of gloves because your girl has been all over the place. So you definitely know this is organic. You definitely know your girl has never dyed her hair red. Actually, I have, but it was the color, the watercolor, back when I was relaxed. So gloves are on. All right, so that was not enough. So I'm gonna wipe my face really quick. That was not enough, so I'm going to mix the last bit with some 40. All right, see you guys in 30 minutes.